All right. How many days late am I for this bullet journal video? Listen, I've been extremely busy and it's been quite a day today. And yesterday and the day before, it's just been days. So, listen, I even thought about not doing a bullet journal video this month and for December because I am extremely busy now, and creating a very artistic spread, I just don't have the time for. I mean, when you think about it only takes about, I don't know, a couple hours, depending on what you do. But it's the designing process that takes forever. It's, when I had all the time to like color and do all this stuff, it was easy. But now that's not the case for me since I've opened my sticker store, since I'm back at work, and since, whatever days off I have, I just need everything to be streamlined. So in this video, I again did that typical vertical planner layout like I've done before. And instead of just doing the actual layout for you, I've already done the weeks as you saw, and I'm going to be using the Happy Planner Disney Princess Collection sticker book. And first of all, let's talk about this sticker book and how ridiculously hard it is to find the fucking thing. This is a Walmart exclusive item, and for me, I just don't like going into Walmarts. I don't mean to sound foo-foo or anything like that, but I can't stand going into Walmart. It drives me bonkers. So I try to avoid it at all costs, and with this collection, oh my god, I ended up just going to eBay and I purchased the book. It was a little more expensive than what it is retail price, but I figured it was worth it because I really wanted the sticker book, mainly because of the color choices that they chose for this design. It wasn't the typical, red, blue, yellow, like basic colors. It was very mature and I thought it was beautiful. And I sell out for Disney. I do. So I am designing the first 2 pages, which, it's a typical, I really do like my monthly layout to cover just one little spot of a page. I don't really necessarily need a big monthly, like spread. I just needed like a little month at a glance and then carry on. I've been writing a lot. I've been doing a ton of journaling entries in my planner. Excuse me, bullet journal, whatever. I've been doing a lot of planning and I've been doing a lot of journaling. And I just find that with the vertical layout, I can easily flip-flop between planning events and writing down the things that have happened to me every day. Each week is going to be for a specific princess. I do know that there is another sticker book out there that I am desperately trying to get my hands on. It has Pocahontas, Merida, Rapunzel, Jasmine, and Belle. I'm like, I want those characters, but it's hard to find. Again, right now someone has it on eBay for $60, and I'm like, listen, you're crazy. I am not. I refuse. So if I can find it online somewhere, I'm definitely gonna get my hands on that, and I don't know, maybe carry it on until December. That's why I'm like, no point in me doing a bullet journal video since there's really nothing creative coming out of me as far as artistic things are concerned. I mean, completely understanding the fact that my YouTube channel is a mishmash of videos. Do you care? Like, do you guys want to see December? Let me know in the comments below. Also, Disney fan to Disney fan, if you happen to see that sticker book that's like 1,300 stickers, there's an 1155 and a 1318. I'm going for the big guns. If you see it online, tag me. And I will be posting a video about my stickers that are currently being sold in my store, but you know what, honestly, right now, I finally have the time to just do nothing, and that's all I want to do. I've been working constantly for the last month and a couple of days, and I'm tired. My body is like, if you don't rest, I will shut you down myself. So I am trying to just listen to my body and just rest. So if I take a little time, just know it's all planned out. It's okay. I have no rush trying to be this massive sticker store and in everybody's homes. Would that be great? Sure. But I'm so laid back when it comes to a lot of stuff, then it's like, I'll get it out there. Don't you worry. It could just be because this is a hobby of mine. I didn't start this store out of necessity. I started because I just wanted to. That's why I'm taking my time with everything, because I don't want this to feel like a job, you know? Going back to this princess theme, isn't it really cute? The hardest part is trying to decide where to put the stickers and how many stickers, because I don't know how busy certain days are going to be, you know? So sort of pre-planning the book, but I think that this turned out so cute. I love it. I love it. The thing is that if you start to run out of space because you put too many damn stickers, just get a sticky note and write on it. Like, it's such an easy fix for a specific day. There are so many sticky notes that are out there that'll tell you like to do today, you know, and problem solved. But I think right now the amount of stickers that I have for every week is so wonderful. I love it. I can't wait to, actually, honestly, I've already filled out 1 week because, you know, we are so far in November already. And the first week with Snow White is phenomenal. I love it. So follow me on Lana Plans. I will be posting pictures of the final weeks. And yeah, ditties eat. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Look how many pages I have left for December. Yay! Anyway, I'm gonna see you all very soon. Follow me at Scully's World of Wonder on Instagram, or you can follow me on Lana Plans to check out all the pages that I have done. I will see you all very soon. Like and subscribe and share my video. Goodbye!